In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emoticons in Outlook. Adding a small emoji can make your message warmer, clearer, and more human, especially when you want to convey tone without writing a lot. Let's walk through the 2 easiest ways to do it so you can pick whichever feels most natural. First, open Outlook and create a new email. You'll see the Compose window with the 2 subject and message body fields. Click into the body where you want your emoji to appear. This is important because the emoji will insert exactly where your cursor sits. Whether that's in the middle of a sentence, at the end of a line, or even in the subject if you choose to place it there. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Compose window. The Insert tab is where Outlook keeps all the tools for adding extra elements to your email. And that includes emojis. Look for the emoji icon in the ribbon. Depending on your version, it might be visible right away or tucked under a More Options menu. It typically looks like a small smiley face. Click it to open the emoji panel. When the panel appears, browse through the categories and pick the emoji that best matches what you want to express. A single click will insert it directly into your message at the cursor. You can add more than one, mix and match, or remove them just like any other character. Keep in mind that emojis follow your text size and style, so if your font is larger, your emoji will appear larger too. As a best practice, use emojis sparingly in formal messages and a bit more freely in casual ones to keep your tone balanced and professional. T here is also a fast keyboard shortcut on Windows that works directly in Outlook. Place your cursor in the message body, then press the Windows key plus the period, or the Windows key plus the semicolon. That opens the built-in Windows emoji panel. From there, you can scroll to browse or start typing a word like smile, thumbs, or party. To filter results, use your arrow keys to move through options and press Enter to insert. If you change your mind, press Escape to close the panel. This shortcut is especially handy if you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard and move quickly while writing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.